Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? Today we are going to start our lesson number 6, which is comparing fractions. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing and you're the best audience. So let's begin our today's session. So here are certain numbers and we have to compare these numbers, which one of them is a bigger and which one of them is a smaller number. So you already familiar with the sign. We have already discussed it in detail. What is the sign of a greater than and what is the sign of a less than. So greater than sign is, this is a greater than sign and this one is a less than sign, right? Okay, and the clue to remember this thing is, remember we learned this thing that alligator, remember the alligator always open his mouth towards the bigger number, right? Okay, so this is 6.5 and this is 7.5. So either 6.5 is a bigger number or a smaller number than 7.5. So 6.5 is less than 7.5. So this is a less than and this is greater than. So 4.3 and 4.30. So always first try to match the number of digits before comparing them. Over here we have 2 digits and in the second number we are having 3 digits. So let's just complete their numbers. So if there is no number after 3, you can put 0 here, because after a decimal point we are allowed to put as many zeros as we can because it does not contain any value. So now the numbers are equal. So this is 4.30 and 4.30. So both numbers are same. So both of these two numbers are equal, and sign for equal is this equality sign. Next is 4.3 is bigger or smaller than 4.22. So when we are going to compare it, start comparing it from the unit side. So this is 4, this is 4, both are equal. Okay, move on to the next one. Now this is 3 and this is 2. So from here we came to know that 3 is bigger than 2. So we can write the symbol greater than. 4.3 is greater than 4.22. Or if you want to make the number of digits same, so over here we are having 3 digits. So make it 3 digits by putting a 0. Or you can also compare it like 30 is greater than 22. So in either way you are getting your answer right. So it is up to you how you are going to grab this concept. Next is 4.3 is less or greater than 4.50. So start comparing it from the digit 1, which is 4 here and 4 here. Both are equal. Move on to the next digit. So this is 3, this is 5. So see, 3 is less than 5. So 4.3 is less than 4.50. Or if you want to put 0, so then it becomes 30. So 30 or 30 is less than 50, right? So overall 4.30 is less than 4.50. The next is 3.123 and 3.20. Start comparing it from the unit side. This is 3, this is 3, both are equal. Move on to the next one. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 is less than 2. So your overall answer is 3.123 is less than 3.20, right? Or simply make the number of digits equal. So 123 is less than 200. So you are getting your answer right in any case. Next, circle the smallest number. Now we have to circle the smallest number. Okay. So all these in a question number 6, before the decimal point, all these numbers are 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. It means now we have to look on to the next digit after the decimal point. So this is 12. Either you can check it individually or you can check it collectively. So let's just check it collectively. But first make sure all these numbers after the decimal points are having same equal number of digits. Two number of digits, two number of digits, two number of digits, right? So now you can compare 12. We have to pick the smallest number, remember, smallest decimal. So 12 is, so Is there any number we have less than 12? Yes, this is 6. So this is our smallest number, 12.06. Okay, moving on to the next. So this is all these numbers are 7. If you look at the numbers before the decimal point. So here we have a number that is less than 7. The smallest number is 3.101. Then you need not to look into the numbers that are after the decimal point, right? Now in this case we have to find out the greatest decimal. Excuse me. So circle the greatest decimal, 6.7 to 6.8. First let's just make all these numbers, all of their numbers equal. So in total we have 3 digits. So 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. In this case we have 2, so just write 0 here. Now start comparing. Before the decimal points all the numbers are 6. Okay, all are equal. Move on to the next one. So now start comparing it from here. We have to find the greatest. Oh, spellings of greatest are wrong. Okay, now it is correct. So this is 72, 80, 75, 66 and 8. So which one is the biggest number? So that is 80 or 6.80, right? Okay, next is 4 so 4 is a number that is equal, that is same in all of these numbers. And after that let's just make their number of digits equal. So 3 digits, 3 digits. So there are no 3 digits, make it 3 by putting zeros. Make it here 0 and now we are good to go. So the biggest number is 552, 55, 550, 515. So which one of them is biggest or greatest? That is 552. So 4.552 is our final answer. Got it? Okay, I hope you have got the concept. So here comes to an end of our today's session. Stay blessed, be happy and keep smiling. And thank you guys once again for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there. We'll catch up later.
I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.